students, welcome to class 4 mathematics, building with bricks. Today's topic is difference between place value and face value of a number. Face value. Face value of a number is the value of the digit or number itself. For example, 3954. Face value of 4 in this number is 4. Face value of 5 in the number 3954 is 5. Face value of 9 for the same number is 9. Face value of 3 is 3. So you understood that face value of a number is the value of the digit or number itself. Place. Place is the position of a number in the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. For example, in a number 3856, we can say that 5 is in tens place. 8 is in hundreds place. What will be the place of 3? 3 is in thousands place. Can you tell me what is the place of 6? 6 is in ones place. Place value. Place value is the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Example, in 3456, 3 is in thousands place. So its value is 3 into 1000, 3000. 4 is in hundreds place. So its value is 4 into 100, 400. 5 is in tens place. So its place value is 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 6 is in ones place. So its value is 6 into 1, 6. Write the place and place value of the following numbers. Look at the table. Number, place and place value. First number is 6158. We have to find the place and place value of 1. Which is the place of 1 here? You know 1 is in hundreds place. So we will write hundreds under place. How will you find place value? 1 into 100 is equal to 100. It is the place value of 1 in 6158. Second number, 2930. In this number, we have to find the place and place value of 2. The place of 2 in 2930 is thousands. So, how will you find the place value? 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Let us look at the third number, 1924. Here we have to find the place and place value of 4. 4 is in ones place. So, place value we can calculate by 4 into 1 is equal to 4. The last example is 7806. Here we have to find the place and place value of 0. Which is the place of 0? 0 is in tens place. So we wrote tens under place. Now how will you find the place value of 0 here? 0 into 10 is equal to 0. So the place value of 0 in 7806 is 0. Questions. Write the place and place value of the following numbers: 9350, 7436, 1432 and 2948. Hope you all understood the difference between face value, place and place value. Thank you. See you soon.